The world is moving fast, but most MBA programs still stuck in the past. Textbooks alone won't make you a leader, and theory, it won't get you hired. Introducing Online MBA by DY Patil University, where business meets reality. This isn't just another MBA. This is hands-on, industry-driven learning. Want to master customer experience? Learn from Hamleys, the brand that keeps customers coming back. Curious about HR strategy? Solve workforce challenges with Swayam. But here's the hard truth. Only 13% of graduates are job ready. 58% of employees lack key skills. A degree isn't enough. Skills make the difference. That's why we go beyond the classroom with real-world brand challenges, expert-led masterclasses, and short, impactful courses. We're also bringing you the future with in-demand tools like Tableau, Excel, Power BI for work. And to help you unlock even more, our Gen AI Masterclass offers live sessions on AI to help you work smarter, faster, and better. When you're ready to stand out, we'll help you craft a winning resume and ace interviews with expert tips. And you can do it all, anytime, anywhere on the DY Patil Learner app. Enjoy offline downloads, live notifications, and 24/7 support, because learning never stops. So don't just talk the talk, get ready to lead. Online MBA at DY Patil University is your ticket to the future. Enroll now and let's make it happen.